Did you know a medieval princess once burned down an entire city using birds? In 945, Prince Igor of Kiev was brutally murdered by the Drevlians. His wife Olga didn't just want revenge, she wanted to make history. First, she invited Drevlian ambassadors to negotiate. When they arrived in their boat, her men carried them straight into a pit and buried them alive while they were still sitting inside. Next, she told their envoys to bathe before meeting her. The moment they entered the bathhouse, her soldiers barred the doors and set it ablaze. Then Olga invited 5,000 Drevlian warriors to a peace feast. After they got drunk, her army slaughtered every single one. But her masterpiece was yet to come. She humbly requested tribute from their capital, just 3 sparrows and 3 pigeons from each house. When the birds arrived, she tied burning sulfur to their feet and released them. They flew home to their nests, igniting the entire wooden city. Everyone inside burned to death. The twisted irony? This ruthless pagan later converted to Christianity and became Russia's first saint.